Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you glass painting, and you need these glass colors, and glass colors must be water based. You go to the shop and ask the water based glass colors, and in this box you will get the outliner, glass outliner. Then you will get these glass colors tubes. So let's see how will you do this work. First, what you have to do is, the material you required is this transparent sheet. You can see this transparent sheet, so you need this transparent sheet for this. Now you have to take the printout of a butterfly or any flower or any easy image from the internet. You can download any easy butterfly image from the internet, and see, half of the work I have already done to avoid the wastage of time. And now let's see how will you do the work. First, you will keep the image of the butterfly under this transparent sheet. You see, this is the transparent sheet, and under this you can see I have kept the image of this butterfly. So now you will start this. See, you have to trace this butterfly. Now with the help of this outliner, see, you have to trace it here like this. Now you see here, I have done only half of the outlining to avoid the time, otherwise the video will be very long and you can do rest of the outlining. Now you see, this is the insect of the butterfly. So how will you fill the color in this? You will take this brown color. So like this, you have to fill this brown color with this. You will not use any brush here. Okay, just see how I am doing with this tube. So like this, you can see the insect of the butterfly is ready. Now you look at these two parts. These two parts are same. I have done green color here, so green color I will do here also. Now let's see. And there is one problem in this, कि you will get the bubbles like this. See, you have to break these bubbles with the help of a toothpick. See, this is the toothpick, and when you will get the bubbles, you will just spread this color with the tube. This is the easiest way of doing the coloring. And when you will get these bubbles, you look at these bubbles. How will you break these bubbles? You have to break these bubbles with the help of toothpick, or you can take a cloth also. You see, you can take a rough cloth, then you can just make it like this. Now you see the bubble which was formed, it has gone. So now here you see this is blue color, so I have to fill the blue color here. So just I am going to fill this blue color, and you have to keep the toothpick ready in your hands. So you see like this, now you see bubble is here. So just take the cloth and remove the bubble like this. You have to spread it like this. Just spread it carefully so that it will not come out of the outlining. See this bubble, look at this bubble, we have to remove it. See, you can take the toothpick. Now it has gone. So like this you have to remove it. Now in rest of the colors we will fill the colors. In rest of the circles we will fill the colors. Now you see here these two black circles. So I am going to fill the color here. See, I am going to fill this color. See here, I am going to fill this color here and here. Now in the base this yellow color is here. So now you will fill this yellow color here in the base. See, look at this bubble. So you have to break this bubble with the help of toothpick. Now you can see it has gone. So like this you have to complete this hole. Look at the bubble. Again and again when you will do, the bubble will come. So you have to keep the toothpick ready in your hands. And you have to do this work on a flat surface. See, you have to sit on the flat surface because these colors spread very quickly. If you will not sit on the flat surface and then do the work, so your colors will spread quickly. So first you take some flat surface for this, then you have to start doing the work. Like this you have to complete this. Now you see here two red circles. Now you look here carefully. This and this is same. Now here see, with black green color is here, so you will fill the green color. Then after that here red color, so you will fill red, then pink, then pink. So like this you have to complete this butterfly. You know now how you have to complete this. It's the same. And thanks for watching my video. You see here also, these are the I have made this also with the help of this glass outliner only. Okay, you have to take this glass outliner and just you know how you have to draw the antenna. So you can draw this with the help of any printout. Thanks for watching my video.